Okay. So we have completed 15th question. No, let us go for 16th one now. Yes. What is the 16th question? 16th question is, it often happens that people with good sight fail to see what is right in front of them. According to the narrator, it happens because. Okay? Yes, actually go through the options and first choice and first answer should be given by you. Others, please send your answer in the message box.
Option B. They have too much to take in.
Yes, they have too much to take in. That is the correct answer. Okay. So they will not, they don't care others. It is not the correct answer. Huh? They do not care about other people. They are overconfident. They will not be attentive enough. All these are not correct options. The correct answer is they have too much to take in. Next. After that, next question is question number 17. Who was or were there on the stage at the close of the epilogue in the play acted based on Anne Frank's diary? Yes. Now send me the answer, please, everybody. Yes, what is the correct answer? Who was there? I have got answer from Yashaswini. I have got answer from Nivedita. Nivedita says option A, yes. Anne's father. Shreya Hegde says Anne's father. Next, yes. Sudhanva says option A. Sumuk option A. Jeevan option A. Yes, correct answer is option A. So at the end of the play, only Anne's father, the person who acted Anne's father's role, no, he was there on the stage at the epilogue of the drama or that act. Okay, that is the correct answer. Then next one, in the annex where Anne's family lived, there were how many members? How many members were there? Yes, type your answers fast. Were there 9 members, 6 members, 7 members, or 8 members? Yes, option A, 8 members. Option A. Yes, Nitin. Yes, Neha. Yes, your answer is correct. Option A is correct answer. It is 8 members. So Anne Frank, her father, her mother, and Anne's sister Margaret was there. Then next, who else were there? Dentist was there, no? Then who else were there? 3 other members were there, no? Who were there? Partner of Otto Frank. What was his name? What, what was his name? Yes. What was his name? It was definitely Van Dan and his wife and his son, 17 years old son was also there, no? So these 3 people were there. That's why their family 3 members and an arrogant dentist, the fourth member, and Anne's family 4 members. Totally 8 members were there. Then next question. Yes, correct answer. Question number 19. Which among the following is not a comparison that Pierre mentions to Marion while describing how he would carry the eel pie? Okay. So, which comparison? In which of the following ways, or yes, in which of the following methods Pierre has not given comparison? Yes. Please type your answer. Yes. Yes. Option D. Option D. Nagraj says option D. Yes. Rashmi says yes. Vidya. Option D. Yes. Pratham option D. Yes. Jeevan also says that option D. Yes. As a cow with its calf. That is not the comparison given by Pierre. With other 3 are the comparisons given by him. Okay. Yes. The like a mother with her bantlings. Yes, he has given this comparison as shepherd with his eaves. Okay, that is also given. That comparison is also given as Saint Ursula with her maidens. This comparison is also given. Yes. Next one, let us see. Let us go for question number 20. In the poem, The Stolen Boat, the narrator's pleasure is troubled because, yes, the correct answer is, please. Yes, option D, you are saying option B. Who is saying option D? Yeah, Sahana says yes, C, option C. Pratham says option C. Yashaswini says option B. Yes, yes, the correct answer is option B is the correct answer there. His conscience pricks him on his stealthy act. That is the correct answer. Okay. So, which are the other options? Let us see. The pleasure is short lived. It is not the correct one. He is scared. He is scared. He is scared of his stealthy act being found, and he was rowing all alone. No, these are all not the correct answer. Correct option is option B. Okay, yeah. Next question. Let us go for next one. Question number 21. Dronacharya asked Buttu's right hand thumb as recompensation because, yes. Who will tell me the answer? Yes, option C, option D. Sumant says option D. Yes, yes. Sumit says option D. Option D, yes. Vaishnavi, GM, option D, yes. Aniket is also saying option D. Yes, option D is the correct answer. He wanted to keep his promise to Arjuna. That is the correct answer. Yes. Next, question number 22. Thou canst not set too hard a task. These words are taken from the lesson or poem Karna, Buttu, the Pie and the Tart, and Ulysses and Cyclope. Akshay? Buttu. Akshay says that it is Buttu. Yes, others please Buttu. Option B. Yes, Buttu. Nitin Buttu. Shreya Bhatt Buttu. Yes, option B is the correct answer. From the poem Buttu, this line is taken. Yes. Question number 23. Cyclops inhabited the island of Greece, Ithaca, Sicily, Italy. In which island did the Cyclops live? Yes. Option C, option C, option C, Sicily. Yes, all are saying it is Sicily and everybody's answer is correct. Sicily is the correct answer. Yes. Next, question number 24. How many people of Ulysses were eaten by Cyclope? How many were eaten by Cyclope? Yes. Please send me the answers. Yes, 6. Yes, if you are sending option C, option B, 6. 6 is the correct answer. Okay? 6 is the correct answer, no? So, option B, 6 is the correct answer. It is not 8 members. When he found he ate 2 members, then he drank goat milk and he slept in the morning when he got up. Again, as his breakfast, he again ate 2 members. And again, at that night, when he came back, he ate 2 members. After that, he had the people of Ulysses, they made him to pay Greek wine and he slept. No, that's why he could eat only 6 members of Ulysses. Yes. Next one is who presented Anne's father with a statue of Anne? Who presented him? Yes. Option B, you are saying. Shreya Bhatt says option C. Next, Yashaswini says option C. Nikhila Hegde option C. Brihati saying that option C. Jeevan option C. Yes, what is the correct answer here? Definitely option C. A Dutch sculptress, Dutch sculptress, andre Shilpi. Okay. That she was a lady, that's why it is a sculptress. A Dutch sculptress gave a sculpture or statue of Anne Frank to her father. Next, after that, question number 26. Which of the following statements is not true about the narrator in the lesson? The eyes are not here. Okay? Yes, your answers. I want your answers. Option D, all are sending option D. Yes, Vidya says option D, Bhuvana says option D, Karthik Hegde option D, Nagraj, Sahana, Sudhanva option D. Yes, here what is option D? He wanted to marry the blind girl who traveled with him. So that is not at all told in the lesson. See the other options. He was traveling to Mussoorie. That is right. He was traveling to Mussoorie via Dehradun. Then he was not blind by birth. This is also true about him. He didn't reveal before the girl that he was a blind man. Yes, this is also true about him. Yes. Next, let us go for the next one. In the poem CLM, the poet's mother can't see her son because. Yes. What is the correct answer? Please send me the answers. Option B I got from Nivedita. Yes. Yes, option B. Option B. Yashaswini. Yes. Nagraj. Option B. Jeevan Pratham. Option B. Anvit. Option B. Sumukh. Option B. Correct answer is option B. The poet's mother is not alive. Yes. Next question, children. What is the next question? What or who is compared to a leech in the poem CLM? What is compared to the leech in the poem CLM? Yes, it is Akshay.
The fetus in the mother's womb.
Yes, the fetus in the mother's womb. Okay, fetus ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಭ್ರೂಣಕ್ಕೆ ಭ್ರೂಣವನ್ನ ಲೀಚ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is not child, it is not pregnant women, or it is not the poet also. The fetus in the mother's womb is compared to leech. Yes, next one. The iron nails expand in summer, and what will they do? They contract or contrast. Yes, send me your answers. Contrast, you are saying. Who is that? Pratham says that it is contrast. Brihati, option D. Animesh, Neha V. Hegde, option D. Yes, Siri, option D. Yes, what is option D here? Contract. It is not contrast, or it is not contact, or it is not contest. It is contract. Next. Next question is, yes, question number 30. Which of the following is an example for simple sentence? Which of the following is an example for simple sentence? For this, may I get answer from Shreya Bhatt? Shreya Bhatt?
Hello, Mataji.
Yes, Marie. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Option A.
Option A. Read out the sentence.
I looked for Josta and Prashanti at the bus station.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Let us see the other options. Okay. I looked for Jyotsna and Prashanti at the bus station. See the second one. Shruti and Dhatri arrived at bus station early, but okay, they had to wait until noon for the bus. So this is a compound sentence. You can see two independent sentences there, two independent clauses are there, two main clauses are there, and both of them are joined by a coordinating conjunction but. Okay, that is why it is compound sentence. Next one, although I was ill, I completed my work. So this is complex sentence. Although I was ill, here it is your subordinate clause, which has no meaning without the main clause. Although is a subordinate conjunction, that's why you can have it as complex one. Next, neither the teachers nor the students enjoyed the program. Neither the teachers nor the students enjoyed the program. Again, this is an example for compound sentence. Okay? Yes. Next one. She speaks loudly. The appropriate question tag for the above sentence. Yes. Yes. Who will tell me? Anvit Banwasi. She speaks loudly. Anvit Banwasi. Can you speak out, Anvit? Otherwise, Nitin.
Much option D, doesn't she?
Option D, doesn't she? Okay, Dhruva, what's your answer? Dhruva, what is your answer? Yes. Animesh?
Doesn't she?
Doesn't she is the correct answer here because she speaks loudly. Speaks loudly, simple present tense. Okay. She is third person singular, and that's why we have to use the helping verb does here. Question is sentence is positive, tag should be negative. Doesn't she is the correct answer. Yes. Let us go for next one, children. So next question number 32 is Subhashini found her magical bean maker dash than she originally thought. So what should be filled in there? Yes. Answer is, who will tell me the answer? Karthik Hegde says that option D. I think it is for the last question. This is the answer for last question. Yes, start typing. So lesser useful. Who is that lesser useful? Brahati says that lesser useful. Nagraj option A. Then Sahana Shakti Yashaswini option A. Sahana option D. Yes, next Siri says option A. Sumuk option A. Next, see, let us see the options. Less useful, least useful, lesser useful, useful. So lesser is not comparative form. Little, less, least. Positive form is little and comparative form is less. It is not lesser, children. Remember, this is some exceptional case. Okay. So little, least, least is a superlative form, less is comparative form. So that's why the correct answer is option A, less useful. Okay. Yes. Let us go for next question. Question number 33. He said to me, I must win the game. He said to me, I must win the game. Yes. Now start typing your answers. Yes, Sudhanva, Rashmi, option A. Yes, next. Yes, start sending your messages. What's your answer? Sumuk? Sumuk? Okay.
Hello?
Sumuk, what's your answer?
C.
You say that it is C. What is option C? Option C, he told me that he had to win this match. Sumuk says win this match. Then Siri.
Option A.
Siri says that option A, he told me that he must win the game. Then next, Nikhila Regde.
Mataji, of option D.
Option D. Read out the answer, Nikhil.
He told me that he must win that game.
He must win that game. Let us see the options here. Let us see option B. He told me that he had to win that match. That is the correct answer. So in the place of must, you have to use had. Okay, that is the correct way of using. In the place of must in indirect speech, you have to use had. Okay, he had to win that game. So this should be converted to that, no? Sumuk, you have forgotten. So that's why your answer.
Mataji,
Yes, Sumuk.
in exam I had written the right answer, but in by mistake I had said wrong answer.
Okay. Yes, now the correct answer is he had to. Okay. Siri, Rashmi, I think you have missed this one, no? Rashmi,
Yes, Mataji.
now you got the answer?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, for 30 seconds, I had sent option A.
Ha. Okay, okay. 30 second you have sent option A. Siri, you have understood no now?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so in the place of must you have to use had. Remember in indirect speech. Next, let us go for next question. See here, question number 34. Which of the following sentences is? Which of the following sentences is not in passive voice? Which of the following sentences is not in passive voice? For this, can Bhuvana answer me? Bhuvana? Yes, Bhuvana. Shreya Hegde. Shreya Hegde. Then Ashwit.
Option C, the man carried the palm up the stage.
Option C, the man carried the, yes, the man carried the pram up the stairs. Yes, that is the correct answer. C, option A, the chief minister is expected. See, expected is V3 form, past participle. And before past participle, if is used, okay, that is in passive voice. Otherwise, according to our rule, in active voice, before V3 form, we will have form of helping verb, right? But here B form of helping verb is there. That means what, children? It is what? It is in this simple present tense sentence in active voice. By using is, we have converted it to passive. Then second one, yes, again, letters are delivered. See here, delivered V3 form, before delivered, instead of have form of helping verb, be form of helping verb is there. Again, it is an example for passive voice. Option D, you come, we were bitten by. See here, again, bitten, main verb in V3 form, okay? And verb is a be form of helping verb. That's why these three sentences are in passive voice and active voice sentence is the man carried. So this is simple past tense sentence. Okay. Yes. Next question. Let us see. Question number 35. I do not like the people who are mean to animals. I do not like the people who are mean to animals. Yes, this is an example for noun clause, adverb clause, adjective clause, and subordinate clause. Yes, who will tell me the answer? Yes, send your answers to me. Yes, option C. Nivedita, photo is not clear for me. Nivedita, I think your network is weak. So, Sudhanma? Sudhanma? Jeevan?
Yes, Mataji.
Jeevan, is the photo clearly clear?
Yes, Mataji.
Nivedita, you have network problem. Okay. So, what is the correct answer for this? Will it be told by Pannaga or Aniket? Aniket, what is the answer?
I don't know.
You don't know really. Nutan,
Option C.
you say
Adjective clause.
that option C, it is adjective clause. Why is it option C, adjective clause, Nutan? Nutan, why is it adjective clause?
Because it is describing noun.
Yes, it is describing noun, no? Let us see the sentence. I do not like the people. See, people. I do not like the people. Who do I do not like? I do not like the people who do not mean or who are mean to animals. ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ಯಾರು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೌನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಐ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ an example for adjective clause. Yes, let us go for question number 36. I had scarcely passed my 12th birthday when I entered the inhospitable regions of examination through which for the next 7 years dash to journey. Yes, tell me the answers. Soumya Bhatt. Soumya Bhatt,
Mataji, I think option B.
you think it is option B. Option B is would be, yeah. Then next one, Kripa. Kripa, what's your answer?
Option B.
You also say that it is option B. Then next, yes, I'll go to Pratham Bhatt. Pratham Bhatt, can you speak? Nivedita, what is your answer? Nivedita? Yes, Nivedita. Bhuvana, Preeti says that option A is the correct answer.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, what's your answer?
Option A will be destined.
Will be destined.
Ah,
No. Next, Rashmi.
Option
Option C. Option C is the correct answer. I was destined. Okay. Yes. For next 7 years, I was destined to journey. So, I had scarcely passed 12th birthday when I entered the inhospitable regions of examination through which for the next 7 years I was destined is the correct answer. Okay. I will be destined alla, will be illa. I was destined is the correct answer because I entered is there, no? I will enter anta illa, I entered anta ide. That's why was destined is the correct answer. Has anybody got a doubt about this? Is it clear why it is was destined? Okay. Yes, let us see question number 37. The idea of balanced diet is very difficult, only bad. So the idea of balanced diet is very difficult to dash to anyone who is illiterate. Correct phrasal verb is put across here. Okay. We have to, the correct phrasal verb is put across. Remember, it is put across. Next. So next question number 38. As soon as dash sea calmed down, we took dash boat and sailed. So the appropriate article to be filled in the blank is, yes, send your answers. Yes, option A. Preeti, option A. Shreya Bhatt, option C. Others, please send your answers. Kripa, option A. Next. Yashaswini, option C. Jeevan, option C. Brihati, option C. Bhuvana, option C. Yes. So the correct answer, the is the correct answer. As soon as the sea calmed down, we took a boat and sailed. It is the correct answer. Yes. Let us go for question number 39. The prefix to get the opposite of the word definable is indefinable. Okay, the correct answer is option A, indefinable. Okay, yes. Let us go for last question. Question number 40. Did you know the answer for that question? This sentence is in which tense? Yes, send me the answer. Did you know the answer for that question? Option C, Kripa option C, Karthik option C, Yashaswini option C. Yes, Sahana Shetty option C. Yes, Kavya saying that it is option C. Correct answer is it is in simple past tense because did. Okay, it is simple past tense word. Huh? Did you know? Huh? Whether you knew. Did you know? Did is there. That is why definitely it is in simple past tense. Okay, so this is how we can solve the question paper. Question number, all the questions are completed here. So actually, how many more minutes are there for the meeting to end?
10 to 15.
47 members are there. Okay, good. Children, let us do one thing. Take 2 minutes break and again we will start new meeting where we can discuss a few social science question answers. Okay? Yes.